Hello again. Today we're going to cut the bait key using the newly released key cutter, Dolphin XP-008. Before cutting, we need to prepare a key blank and keep the clamps on side A. Then loosen the clamp, insert the key blank, and tighten it up in position. Load the original key. In this process, we have to ensure that the original key and the key blank are aligned nicely. Okay, now we've got everything in place. We'll go ahead and cut the key. Turn on the power and start our cuts. We need to push a bit harder while cutting to make sure the key is completely cut. Turn off the power, flip the key, and we're going to cut the other side. Turn on the power and keep cutting. Now the cutting is done. We can take out the copied key. Let's take a look at the keys. It's perfectly cut. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you the next one.